Hi, I'm James Dickinson with Koenig Dickinson DeLee here with my partner Sam DeLee. How are you today, Sam?
Hey, very good, Jim.
Sam, what do you think some of your clients are most concerned about? I know you do a lot of business formation and help start up businesses along with existing companies and advising them day to day. What do you find they're most interested in these days?
I think right now it's more business formation, and I think a lot of people, maybe with the economy right now, are maybe leaving their existing jobs and starting their own businesses and have questions on different corporate formalities, different corporate formations that they can use to protect them from a liability standpoint as they enter into new contracts in whatever business they're doing, or from a tax standpoint. Can I have some tax savings when I'm running my own company, and what can I do to assist in that? So
I know we've got a CPA that offices with us that can provide some insights there. You find?
yeah, John Kaler's been great. Boy, the firm has been working with John since 1992, so that's a long time. John's always very accessible. He's in the same building that we're at, and if there's a complicated tax question or a tax planning question, John's always accessible. So.
Well, you know, Sam, more of my practice is in the courtrooms related fields, personal injury, dissolution, business litigation.
Right.
And I'm finding that clients today, they're concerned about costs, and it is expensive. They're concerned about time and delay. So we're leading people into more, if we can, various forms of alternative dispute resolution. That might be mediation, that could be binding arbitration, some way to avoid the courtroom. Clients, I think, are finding the courtroom's a gamble, and what they most want in a lawyer is some predictability.
Right.
We try to predict and prognosticate for the client. You do it the best job you can on that, but I think they're looking, if we have to go in and put the gloves on in a courtroom, we just have to do that. But I think clients would rather see a less expensive form of alternative dispute resolution. You find that?
Yeah, I really do, and I think it really comes down to the cost and the length of time that it takes to get a jury trial in Hennepin County or Carver County or Wright County. It just takes a while to get their issue resolved if we go through the court system, and the expense associated with that sometimes can be a fairly negative experience. But that said, you nailed it, boy. We like to try cases.
Yeah.
We like putting the gloves on if we have to, and we absolutely won't let a client be taken advantage of.
Yeah, that's true, and I often feel I don't get to get into that courtroom enough, but you got to watch the client's costs and understand your client's the most important thing.
Right.
I like to get into that courtroom more than maybe the client would, but you got to keep the client in mind and their costs. I know that in the areas that we mostly practice in, Sam, personal injury, dissolution, business litigation, criminal defense, the courtroom usually isn't very far away sometimes, and you got to lead the client, hopefully help the client get the best resolution at the most efficient cost. Where are you finding most of our clients are coming from, Sam? Where are you finding geographically?
Boy, I think it really ranges. I mean, we have a number of great business clients in St. Paul and Ramsey County. I know we have a number of litigation files that are coming from Minneapolis and Minnetonka. Our base here is in Long Lake. We also have an office in Mound. I know you live in Watertown, Minnesota, and we have a lot of work in Carver County. So the clients are coming from just about all the 4 or 5 county areas here.
Yeah, you know, I started in 1981 practicing law out in that Mound area.
Right.
And that brought a lot of Wright County, McLeod County, Anoka County, and Carver County business our way.
Right.
So it's really pretty much the entire western suburban ring that we concentrate in, and I'm having a lot of fun.
Yeah, so am I. It's been great, and we're looking forward to helping clients out in this area.
We'd like to encourage anyone who has a legal problem and wants just some information about it or some quick advice, give us a ring and give us a call. We'll try to help out.
Yeah, we're at Koenig Dickinson DeLee. Our number here is 952-449-9070, and our website is www.kddlaw.net. We're very prompt in getting back to people, and we all are small. But we're a small firm, but we think that's sometimes to an advantage, don't you,
We think
Jim?
a small firm's a big advantage for clients, and we look forward to talking to you as soon as we can.
Thanks.